Hello everyone, this is Imtiaz. Hope you guys doing well. Today I will discuss and implement Google Ads conversion tracking setup via GTM. What we will do first, conversion tracking setup. It means we will configure our Google Ads conversion tracking through GTM. GTM means Google Tag Manager, right? Ensure every conversion event is tracked accurately. Then what we will do? Dynamic value implementation. Means we will implement dynamic value tracking to measure the precise value of each conversion. Then custom event tracking. Set up custom events in Google Tag Manager to track a specific action that is important to our business, like purchase, add to cart, or being checkout, page view, button click, form submission, like that. Then tag and ticket configuration. Proper configuration of tag and ticket within GTM to ensure seamless data flow and tracking accuracy. Finally, what will we do? We will do testing and validation. Let's optimize our Google Ads campaign for better tracking and higher return on ad spend. In this video, we will use an e-commerce site to configure our Google Ads conversion tracking through GTM. Let's dive into step by step. First, create Google Tag Manager account, then set up Google Tag Manager ID with website backend. So let's do this. For this, we will go to our Tag Manager. If you go tagmanager.google.com, you will get like this interface. You don't have this, but you will get this button, create account. Just create this, click this, then account name, give a name of your company or business name. So I'm giving Nexen. So I am sharing the data anonymously with Google and others. Then container setup, container name I am giving same name, Nexen, and we are doing this for website, right? Web pages, website. So I'm clicking this and create one. I accept the terms and condition. Yes. Okay. Now we can close this. Now this is our tag manager account. So from here we can copy this ID. This is called Google Tag Manager ID. So in this ID we have to implement to our backend. So we are going to our website backend. This is a WordPress website. So I am logging to my website. Then what we have to do, we have to use a plugin. We have to install a new plugin. I already installed this plugin. So the plugin name is GTM for WP. This is the plugin. You have to install it and active it. And from the left side, you will get from settings, Google Tag Manager. Go here and we already copy this ID. So here you will not get this. See, this will be first we have to paste our Google Tag Manager ID and we have to save changes. Okay, from integration WooCommerce, we have to tick mark some option for track our e-commerce data, like track e-commerce data, then cart content in data layer, customer data in data layer, order data in data layer, use SKU instead of ID, and then save changes. Voila, our first step is done. Then what we have to do? We have to create conversion goal via Google Ads. Let's go to our Google Ads account and create our goal. I am logging to my Google Ads account. So before creating campaign, we have to set up our goals. So from goals, I am clicking summary. So I have to create a new conversion action. From here, I am clicking website, scanning website. This is my website, so I am giving this and scan it. Now add a conversion action manually. So what I will do first is purchase. So I'm clicking purchase. Conversion name. Let's give a name. Next gen purchasers. Then value, it should be use different value for each conversion. Count should be every. Click through conversion window 30 days. Engagement view conversion windows 2 days. And then attribution data driven recommended, but we will use last click. And it should be enhanced conversion should be tick mark. Then done. Then save and continue. Okay. Now we can do many things, but we are using Google Tag Manager. So I am clicking use Google Tag Manager. So from here I get conversion ID. So I copy the conversion ID and conversion level. This is the conversion level. So now I am going to add Google Tag Manager. Okay, now what we have to do, we will create tags. First, we will create a tag called from Google Ads conversion linker. It should be trigger will be all pages. Just save the change conversion linker. Then we will make another tag called Google Ads conversion tracking from Google Ads conversion tracking. Yeah, yeah. Here, what will be our tag name? It should be GAds versus tag, right? Okay. So now conversion ID, conversion level, we have to give. Then conversion value, transaction ID, currency code, right? Okay. I already copied the conversion ID. So this is the conversion ID I copied. This is the conversion ID. Conversion level. Conversion level is this one. Conversion value. We don't have conversion value right now. Transaction ID, currency code. We don't have nothing, right? Okay, no problem. So what we can do? We what can we do? Okay, let's create a tag. It should be purchase. Purchase tag. So from here, we'll select Google Ads, then Google Ads conversion tracking. Then we have to keep the conversion ID, which we already copied this one. Conversion level is this one. So we'll add this later. So tracking should be purchase. So we're taking a new trigger. It should be custom event. Custom event name should be purchase. This is the purchase. So I'm saving, and it should be purchase trigger. Then I'm getting saving. Save this. Voila. Nice. And then save this one also. This should be gads purchase tag. This should be this gads purchase tag. And later we will implement like this. It's called conversion value, transaction ID, and currency code. Let's check, submit, and publish this. Okay, let's check it's working or not. From preview, oh, okay, wait. Tag extend is an extension. So using this, we can check everything. Okay. Debug information. Conversion linker is fired, but purchase tag not fired. So let's purchase a product. Suppose I want to purchase this product. Hold on. Okay, now. Oh, okay, now check out purchase. Begin checkout. And finally purchase. This is the purchase tag is fired. Purchase tag is fired. Right. So from here in the data layer, we can get our every data like here our currency, transaction ID, value, then the item, customer information. From here, customer information, everything we can get from here. So now what we do, we will create some variable like customer details, also some also like yes, currency, transaction ID, value. So let's create this. It should be user defined variable. So I'm clicking new. So it should be from data layer variable. We can get this like right. Okay. So from here, see this is a JSON. So from this JSON, we have to get currency, transaction ID, and the value, right? So under e-commerce, then the currency is here. So this is called object. So how can we get the value, currency, transaction ID? E-commerce dot currency, e-commerce dot transaction ID, e-commerce dot value. So let's get first currency. So e-commerce dot currency. So I am giving this writing e-commerce dot currency, right? I am giving DLV currency. Save changes. Then I will take transaction ID. Like same way, I'm giving e-commerce dot transaction ID, DLV transaction ID. Then what I will do, value. I will take value. Value means order value. E-commerce dot value. It should be DLV order value. Okay. These three data we get. Okay. Now what can we do? Uh, from tag, purchase tag. Now we can give the conversion value, transaction ID, and currency. Conversion value is the order value, and transaction ID is transaction ID data layer variable transaction ID. Currency code is data layer variable currency code, and we can save these changes. Okay. Now, and another thing we can do, like we can get the customer data, like customer customer first name, customer last name. We can pass this data to Google. Then customer billing address, sorry, I mean address, then city, postcode, email, phone number, etc. So how can we do this? First, we have to create the variables. Let's do this. First, we will take the user's sorry, data layer variable, and it should be directly right. So under this customer first name, customer last name, so we don't do anything. So just I can click customer first name. It should be DLV first name. Data layer variable, sorry, data layer variable customer first name, customer first name, then customer last name, DLV customer last name, then customer address. This container is already has been with the same name. Sorry, customer last name. Oh, sorry. Customer last name, not last name. It should be first name. DLV customer last name, address, DLV customer location or address, then customer city, DLV customer city, customer billing state, customer postcode, country, email, customer postcode, DLV customer postcode. Then we can take another one is customer billing country, DLV customer country, then customer email, DLV, DLV customer email, then billing phone number, customer phone number, DLV, customer phone number. Okay, anything on it? I can take state as region, billing state. Billing state should be in DLV, customer region. Okay, everything we get. Now we can go to the tags. From tags, Google App, Purchase tag, then click here. From the provide new customer data, include user provided data from your website, select new variable, then set the email. It should be customer email. Phone, it should be customer phone. First name should be customer first name. Last name should be customer last name. State should be customer address. Customer location. City should be customer city. Region should be customer region. Country should be country. Postcode should be postcode. Okay. Now save this. Oh, nice. And save this one also. Okay, done. So now if we again purchase this, we will get the every data in here. So let's check it. And we can done this. This will be active. Let's do this. Okay, first what we have to do, we have to submit it and publish. Okay, done. Now preview this. Hmm. Okay, connect. So parses are not fired. So let's do this quickly. Okay, check out. Information is updated here. This order place done. Okay, from here see this the purchase is fired and variable. See here customer currency, customer city, country, email, first name, last name, address, phone number, everything we get here. Right? So our purchase is done from here. Now we can do everything from here. Now add to cart. Okay, let's create another one. Create conversion action, new conversion action. Website domain should be this one. Scan, add conversion action manually. So it should be add to cart. Nixon add to cart users, and it should be just click done. Then I can create another one. It should be being checkout. Nixon main checkout users. Last click done. Then I can do another one like page view. It should be magazine page view users. All page view. It also should be last click and done. And I can click save and continue. So here for first add to cart, see event snippet. Sorry. Google, use Google Tag Manager. So this is our conversion ID. So I copy this and I can use a constant variable. This is the constant variable. So I go to the Google Tag Manager, go to variables. I can take constant variable and give it, and it should be there's conversion ID. Steps in this. Now I can go to the tags, and tag configuration should be conversion tracking, and conversion ID should be Google Ads conversion ID level. So I can copy the level. Add to cart level is this one. So copy this and paste it. Then conversion value. Add to cart. It should be value should be order value. Then transaction ID we don't need. Currency code we can give the currency code this one. And triggering should be add to cart. So it should be custom event and its name add underscore to underscore cart. Add to cart trigger. We are triggering add to cart. Okay. Now we can save changes and it should be add to cart tag. This add to cart tag save changes. Okay, done. Our add to cart is done. Add to cart is done. Now begin checkout. Being checkout is this for being checkout level. So let's go to tag manager, take a new tag configuration, Google Ads conversion tracking, conversion ID should be same, is conversion ID, then level is this one. What we do, we are doing being checkout, right? So we can send the value also as well. Value is order value. Then triggering should be triggering should be custom event. We are doing being checkout, right? Being underscore checkout. So now we can save this. It should be being checkout trigger. Being checkout trigger. Okay, this should be being checkout tag. Okay, this one also done. Being checkout. Now page view. For page view, this is the page view. Now go to tags, take the another one. Google Ads conversion tracking. It should be conversion ID. Level should be this one. We don't need the value transaction ID currency code. Triggering should be all pages. Right? Yeah. Now say jets. Sorry. It should be what should be it? None. Gears view item tag. We can give the name view item tag, right? Okay, this is it. We can also change the name as well. Being checkout tag. Being checkout tag to Google Ads. Being checkout tag. Naming should be oil, right? Hmm. Then add to cart. It should be Gears add to cart tag. Okay, done. Okay, everything is set up done. You can say C trigger. We're triggering add to cart trigger, being checkout trigger, purchase trigger, and one more thing. Google Ads view item tag. It should be trigger should be not all pages. It should be custom event. It should be view item. Yeah, view item. Uh, data available view item. Sorry, no. What we are tracking triggering view item, right? Oh, sorry. View item trigger. It should be the name. View item trigger. Okay, done. View item tag. Set done. Okay, from variables we can what we can do. Oh, okay. So we can done this. So this. Okay, nice. Now what we can do from configuration we can give the error message as well if we get any error and we don't need anything. Okay, now submit, publish, continue. We are done, right? Okay. Now we will check our final debugging. Go to preview. Delete this one. Oh, sorry. Connect. I don't need this one. Okay, it's loading. So page view done. Setup tag trigger variable for all page. It's also done. Now we will do the final testing. You see, conversion linker is fired. Okay, okay. Hmm. So let's check this. So first view item. This is a view item. I am viewing product name 10. Now this is product name 10. So let's check it. Its view item is fired, right? View item tag is fired. Ah, nice. In variable. Okay. Now what we do? We'll add to cart, right? Add to cart. Add to cart is done. So see this the add to cart is fired also as well. Now we can view the cart. This is the view cart is done. Okay, now proceed to checkout and final purchase. This is the begin checkout. I see begin checkout is also fired. And finally place an order and purchase is done, right? So parse stack is fire and we get the all the data and this is done. Okay. Okay. This is how we can track everything via Google Ads conversion tracking. This is the Google Ads and Google Tag Manager setup. That's all from today. We'll see you in the next video.